Hi, we are doing airplane and very cool stuff. Bye. Here we are. For the airplane, you're gonna need a partner. Start off with a blanket, because if you don't, you'll really hurt yourself. So first, you lay down. Then you put your feet up, ready for your partner to latch on. Make sure her legs are locked, so she can hold lots of weight. Then, you're ready to go with your partner. So, now for the next move, let's go. We're gonna do the chest to feet. Well, let's see this. This is our first time, so we're probably gonna end up falling. Sorry for the mess up. We're gonna try it again. So, we're back. We're gonna try it. So, again. Stand right there. And put your feet make sure they're up. Like right there. Right here. Right there. And that's all you do. That's all we're gonna do today. Bye. Like if you dare. No dislikes. Go, Canada!